In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google AI Studio for long-form text-to-speech generation. To get started, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. If you're searching for it manually, just open the Google AI Studio result and head into the platform. Once you're inside, begin by clicking on the default model selector. This is important because not every model supports the same features, and for long-form text-to-speech, you'll want to switch into the right category. From there, click on Audio. This filters your options so you can focus on models designed to work with speech generation. Next, choose a model that supports audio. Taking a moment here matters, because the model you select will affect what voice tools and generation options are available in the next screen. After that, click on the option that says Turn Text into Natural-Sounding Speech to start creating. This opens the speech generation workspace where you can build your audio project. Now, add a scene. Scenes help organize your content, especially if you're working on something longer like narration, storytelling, lessons, or multi-part voice content. Next, add a sample context. This helps guide the tone or style of the output so the generated speech better matches the kind of delivery you want. Then, choose a voice. It's a good idea to preview or carefully select a voice that fits your content, whether you want something professional, friendly, calm, or more expressive. Once that's set, type in your script. After entering the first portion, click on Add Speech Block. This gives you more structure and makes it easier to separate parts of your narration. You can also choose the second speaker voice if your content includes more than one person or if you want a more dynamic back-and-forth format. Then type in the next part of your script for that speaker. When you're satisfied with how many persons or voices are included in your content, click on Run to generate the speech.